Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you how you can create Instagram post on different niches and sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can also grab the local clients of this service, and also you can go to google.com and search websites according to your niche and offer them that you can maintain their Instagram presence and grow their Instagram, or you can also grow your own Instagram theme page. So that's it, and in today's video I will teach you how you can create an Instagram post on sports niche. So you can also contact sports news websites, etc., or local sports agencies for their Instagram presence. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing online tool. You don't need to be expert designer or experienced designer. You just have to start. Canva do it all for you. So let's go to create a design, and here I search Instagram post square. So here I search sports, and you guys see it provides us different templates. We just have to customize the template and our post is ready. This one is good. You can also I change the template style, and it is loading. Wait for some seconds. It's depend upon the internet speed. So first of all, I would like to change the color and of this font, because white look cools on red. After that, I would like to change the sport, cricket, football, basketball, badminton. I also changed the website name like www.sports.com. It's a dummy website just for making this post, and also you can add some elements like sports, like this one. It's your choice that how much elements you added on different sides. So as you can see, our post is ready and we just made it in 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.